Hi, Pao! Hi!
Sa akin naman, we always find stories to tell that's very Filipino. And one part about this is, as they've said, it's Cubino. It's a story about Filipinos, Korean Filipinos, who are looking for their identity. So it's something very exciting, it's something unique to us, and it's something local that we could be proud of, hopefully.
Sir Mo. Hi, Pao! Hi!